we geji hari yori. If you are an alumni, you are an old boy or old girl, or you are just a former
student.
Na mundu wahitukiire. Aigua categories icio. Yes. Na ndocio othe we categorize kuringana na kaundu karia wikire kuria kana urabanga gwikira kuria wathomeire. Yes. Aiko maundu maku maria mubangite na ni mwikite maigana onari, then you are an alumni. Yes. Na cukuru nyingi tikoro alumni ati
ona igwa kwina association ya alumni.
Yes.
Si ati gikoragwo na everybody wathomeire kuo.
You know, they are the people who will spearhead, the champion. Yes.
Watu wa initiative.
Yes.
Wanajituma.
Ni ukiri former. Former. Na former huthagirwo ni former student kuna. Old boys and girls, mukaona WhatsApp group ya kulirikanania no waigatirwo maingi.
Na toskado.
Na kushare meme. Yes.
And once in a while,
yes,
munapaga kabusi.
Munaitania kabusi. Yes. Pale Red Eagle. Wetania kavuli Red Eagle.
My old students.
Are you the old boys
and girls?
Yes. Ni kuri mundu wahitukiire kundu. Those ones marikania na githomo hau. Macina mavuku. They don't even know that the school was deregistered.
No, na shukuru egegwetwo.
Yes.
It registers nothing in their mind.
Nothing. You see, at least all boys and girls no na mundu mwe wina sobriety ya kiro ke iguru muno kigaranio ke umari akamutumira
uria thukuru ige performete
akamondekera guys, we are really doing well. I think the new principal is working overtime. We have gone up 6 positions. Yes.
Andu othe magoka mekirite tu emoji kidole
lakini wajafikisa mini yetu ya mwaka yetu. Yes. Alumni, very formal body that sits and analyzes. Are we together? Performance iratuvire na point ithatu Nick. They sit down.
Niki kiuru.
Yes. Now alumni ngetha kiugo kiu gioke hauri ni ukoraga andu acio no ni mabatire iguru.
Ni andu magikinyukangitie makinya.
Yes.
And even in the society,
yes,
ni watu wako mahali.
They are opinion leaders and visionary people that this country needs. Yes. Like the case in point, then the Nyeri High School. Yes.
Leo kule Nyeri High School.
Yes.
Ni manane na igongona ria gukungwira miaka igana rimwe. Centenary celebration.
Yes, 100 years of academic excellence.
Leo alumni.
Yes.
Nyeri High School.
County old boys. Ndio na Filipo ni alumni wa Nyeri High. Filipo. Kemonyo. It's an alumni of Nyeri High. Yes.
Leo alumni leo ni maragicamanitie na marakiuga leo ni megucokaniriria kanyamu.
Yes.
Nigetha magiteithiririe cukuru gugikura both in terms of infrastructure
and of course even kurora aria mena challenges,
especially need the students aria mekuona ni ciana bright,
which is very noble. Na marakiuga ni megocokania kanyamu gatari kaingi. Marakiuga what was the keeps?
Marabanga kuraise 100 million kugura miaka igana rimwe.
Yes.
So they are planning to raise 100 million.
Yes.
For the school.
For every year they put in $1 million for the 100 years.
Yes.
Basically, hodeka ko improve thukuru and of course for the needy students because Nyeri High ne shukuru korekanete muno na guteithia needy students.
Nige shukuru kire na heritage ya miaka igana rimwe ri.
Yes, it's a serious heritage.
It's serious.
Yes. And it's a school on the hill. They're very beautiful place. As all I ne githomitheirie ku. Yes. It's a wonderful school. And you know the Nyeri High alumni kai gyokora ka mukuji tai gyokora ga itindo citu Just to mention but a few, I think there are 2 CDFs that have alumni. Yes.
Former CDF,
yes.
General Karangi.
Yes.
Former CDF, General Kiboshi.
Yes.
There
are alumni of Nyeri High. Of course, there is the former chairman, Safaricom, Alfred Nganga.
Nicholas Nganga.
Now, Nicholas, so no, Alfred, sorry, Alfred, Mr. Nganga. And he's now Chairman Kakuzi. Yes. Of course, President Mwai Kibaki.
He is also an alumni.
An alumni. An institution that has produced a president. Yes.
A former Nyeri governor, Gachagua, the first governor of Nyeri.
Yes, he's an alumni of Nyeri High, which brings us now to the old boys.
Former Minister J.J. Kamotho.
J.J. Kamotho is a Nyeri High alumni.
Yes.
Yes. Let's do this. So they'll put together 100 million, which is very noble, a great initiative.
A great initiative.
Yes. Kuna kwa old boys and girls who get a idea te hori. I don't know my left nyanya. Here to
well.
We pick from the big boys. I don't know. Ikiroiti
ganaine na itihanaine.
Ihanaine. But it's a challenge. Wako washukuru wanyu wa miaka 20. Ni atia moge kana miaka okay.
Miaka 20.
Yes. Mojo kanreria haumuge mwaka girigana. Yes.
Ya guteithiriria thukuru uria twathomeire.
Yes. Odocio no abo ibero in some groups.
Boys and old girls.
Yes.
Wewe ni mupange mupatane.
Ndio.
Mukubusane hizo masiku.
Muulisane umefikisha wapi uzazi. Na kwa old boys and girls, everyone suspects the other. You see, the alumni have system. Yes. They have a system that will be able to even, oversight.
Yes.
Yakorra maudu marathi atia. Yes. Tukinyetia basi hudhikiete atia. No kwa old boys muga ati. Kini utre sara.
Na muna kubukaga alikula pesa ya kanyi tukiwa form 3.
Alikula pesa ya CU. Unafikiria huyo mtu amebadilishwa na maisha?
Kwa all the students ni mweka gogo rira mwacemani yari na ti maigiri the few times you meet ni gukana mundu wina very noble thought agafuru tukendia tariri tubange hindi imwe twarie na mwalimu munene atwethere gicatande kimwe kana gicande afternoon tuthie twaririe arutu
tuthie mentorship.
Most of the times it never materializes,
or if it materializes you never have a quorum. But the alumni, they purpose.
Yes.
When they have a meeting, they are all there. Yes. They lead from the front. Yes. Now go old boys and girls. You are muda. Tukona rasia mayaniko. Apologies. The future seriously. Especially to kirora kuria tu mate. Yes.
But you know what he did guy.
Yes.
One day the old boys and the old girls
will become alumni.
They will transition to alumni.
Like I nene jikita events ginya sia the Kenya High alumni. Okay, we event yone athio ginya Serena. Mwao ko izo tige kinya ekiro gia Serena. But what are we doing? Yes. No, there are some alumni bodies that are, alliance. Yes. Mone machukuru manene. No, unavyo tofauti reu.
Unavyo kuiga mfano mwema.
Ndio hapo. Usoke kuria ekura ndo banyana ndo watia.
Karema boys.
Karema. Yes. Hivyo nitore old boys and girls here go. Yes. Ntokiaraga ya kidogo. Yes.
Then twaraga yo kidogo na nitore acha mani ya like ona mweliti muthiru. No, we are making steps.
Good steps. Steps forward. Yes.
Oga mundu ahitukiire.
Mundu ahitukiire. Gutae ko thukuru we hau hao njari. matikona wira wayo ona mama kame mathatin ngai kagwacenjirie uniform guku
nä må ndå wahätå kä ire
twekiraga yeru na atunogagia ta bomu
ä kagwa kiro irathi ingä arone matatå iria akä hä tå kabara
thirikari gå ti å ndå ä ka andå aya hagä tå rä te
rä thaa 16